Hi kids, are you ready for Halloween? 'Cause we're gonna draw a spooky and colorful bat, a face and pointy ears, big round eyes, ooh, the nose and a big grin. Now comes the body, the feet too, and the super cool bat wings. Wow, wasn't that easy? And now it's time to paint sparkly golden for the face. Purple for the eyes. And red for the ears, nose and tongue. Blue to complete the ears. And light pink for the mouth and silver teeth. Yay! Let's start with pink for the wings. Green will look great next. And now some red. Yay! It looks so great and spooky. Let's color the rest with blue and purple too. And brown feet. Isn't this the coolest bat ever? Happy Halloween, everyone! Subscribe and watch more. Chiki Art!